welcome to my channel Cloud of Insider. In this video, we are going to install our one more famous DevOps tools, that is Ansible. Ansible is an open source tool for automations and configuration management. We can install, we can config the what we can say our dependencies in a master node, and it will install in the our what server we are set up. Okay, let's first dive into the how we can set up uh, an instance of client server architecture, like client server architecture. There are some of a client and one is master node, and master node will be control the name node of our worker node. We can say as a slave also, but slave is now terminated because earlier in the GitHub also there is a master branch, and there is a slave branch. After that it revert and it can conclude to main branch. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to my main screen using this. So this is my GitHub, we can say, repository, and here I have all mentioned all the stuff related to installations. Have been started. What is the key concept we have to like take care, and I have already written all the approaches and how we can do that, like in inventory, what is inventory, and how we can set a host target, how we can set a hosts, either we can use public IP, either we can use private IP. What is playbooks, and playbook is a simple YAML files that we can write some of the tasks, like what you need to install, what we have to install, and kind of dependencies and kind of requirements you have in the particular software. So we can do that. And what is the task is a set of work in the Ansible, like it represents any actions, like what action we have to perform, like we have to update any package, we have to install any packages, we have to install it in kind of tools, we have to set up web server, we can do that. Actually we will set one server also here. What is we can set up where either we can set up nginx ID, either we can set up http or apache 2. We will set up nginx. And modules, it is a wide range of module various tasks and package installations. Like in modules we can, like in a, we can say in one deployment, the in Kubernetes we can say deployment. In deployment we can mention all those things that happen in the replicas and all this. That in the modules we can represent all such tasks and package installations. Like in a single package it will install all the stuff, like it is like a scripts, like it will run the script over there, and it will do one by one package installations, and it will check the package installations where it is done or not. Roles are symbol usable units that we can it is a encapsulate related to task handle variable, and kind of we can declare a kind of variable. We can make some of structures also, like in the host file we can divide it, the what we have slabs, like we connected 10 slabs there, like 10 worker node, we can say 10 server, we can say 10 server, and 5 server is for dev, and 5 server is for production, and we can set up any kind of thing. And we will install, like for the production where what dependency of package and module we want. In the dev environment, in production environment, what we package one module, what we can say roles we want, what task we want, what playbooks we have to install, like we can do that also. Let's get started with the setuping our instances. So go to the your AWS console. Here we can see various commands, so note that command also. Go to EC2 instance. Okay. Launch in instance. There is a no instance right now, so we set up Ansible master, then we set up using Ubuntu, and use T2 micro only, and create a new pair. I can say Ansible master key 01 mention that it is a PEM file, or you can use OpenSSH. Like if by using this key only, we will access our, what we can say, slabs. So create this and paste in your save in your downloads, and allow the HTTP and write things, and do all the stuff right. So we'll install three, and we'll download, we can make three instances and launch the instance. So my instances are launching. Here we have the instances launch. Go to the instance tab, all these things, and let's rename this to server 1. This is our slave server. We have to install the dependency. Server 2. Right now my all the instance state is running, and yeah, let's say using the security status checks. And first of all, log into the uh, Ansible master. Go to connect, and just copy this SSH client to using. We will use my OpenSSH. This is my OpenSSH, and we can do cmd here, paste here, and some more easily represent. Sorry, you can just say type yes to confirming that I'm doing this. Yeah, we have connected to the what we can say, our instance. So sudo apt get update. Update is very much mandatory, because as I have told in other videos also, because we have to update the current packages that in present in this particular history instance. This copy one by one, this we have to add the repository Ansible, enter, press enter, and we update this, and paste here, and update the command, update the packages. I will do this thing for it will accept this is yes. Meanwhile it is installing. I have something to tell you that if you like the video, you can subscribe my channel, because I put this kind of content on a regular basis. I will uh, thinking that I will be regular in this content creation of cloud and DevOps, and I will make some of kind of projects in the particular using various DevOps tools, and what we can say, front end frameworks, backend services. So we have a I have a very much experience in making this kind of projects, and organizing various kind of events also. So make sure to share this video to your friends, so they can also learn this kind of stuff, because this kind of stuff is very much important in the industry also, because this will be used like mostly regular in this industry currently, because configuration management is also important, like in the various kind of software it is very much important. So low I will put some of videos on Kubernetes and Docker also in upcoming days, we can say. So process is 92. It will take little amount of time. Okay, it is now currently installed. So go to this, copy this kind of what we can say command and paste here. So as we paste this command here, and here we have seen that we have all the stuff related to how we can make a kind of examples. Like here we have example that this is another stack and this is another stack and then the collections, we can say this is another collections, and this is the DB server that we have. So there is different collections are there that we can make, and one our own collection also. Like we have to, I will make a collection related to server. Let's say I will add this server, and I will add my, what we can say, server 1. My server 1 is this, or else you can write this one also, server 2. Just written it like this so it will be much visually represented. And we will add our Ansible host. Okay, Ansible host. Here we say typing only Ansible host equals to, uh, go to the, what we can say here, and search for the public IP address of the server, we can say server IP, server instance. This is the server instance, and paste here, and one more instance is this, and paste over here. Okay, and one more classes we vibrant collection will make that server var, as well as variable we can make server variable, and we will add Ansible SSH private key file, and we'll add the file here. First of all, while we adding the file, we'll just check whether Ansible is installed or not. Either Ansible is installed, but I will check once more. Ansible version, as we have seen that Ansible is installed, and for connection of that particular, we can say, what we can say, uh, the server that we can connect to the, what we can say, our slab. So what will we use, that we can use our key. So how we can get the key to the this instance? There is no key, right? So we can make, okay, make directory keys and write pwd. Okay, the key is present in the, what we can say, ls. The key is present in the home root hierarchy, like home and ubuntu and the key. Okay, keys. So we have to paste the keys in this folder. What folder? The key folder, key directory, we can say keys directory. So how we can do that? So we'll launch one more, what you can say, cmd in the download. Sorry, cmd. Use ssh command. What we can say, ssh command. Just go to the EC2 instance, go to the Ansible master, and go to connect. Copy this and paste here. Here is here. Paste. So we want to paste that command into this. Okay. So we are doing SSH, right? We will do SCP, secure copy. Okay. So what we have to secure copy? We have to secure copy this key only. Copy this key. What file we have to copy? Like this file you have to copy, right? This file copy in this directory only. So where we have to paste this? We have to paste this in slash home slash ubuntu slash key is right. Okay, there is no such file. This, yeah, my file is currently copied to the, what we can say, in our instance, which is set up in Node Virginia, right? So my file, that this pem file is moved to my instance. So let's check it out. Just go to cd keys and ls. Yeah, my file is present in the this. Okay, so do pwd. So we'll copy this thing, copy this time, and put this Ansible host. Sorry, doing some. Paste here. Yeah, in this we have file. Okay, the file name is a little bit big, so will be, what is that? Ansible master key, I guess. Key hyphen 012 dot pem. This is my name. I can see here, this is my file name, right? Oh, yes. Okay, so we have set up the file, and we will use that command first of all. This, and just ping this to this. Just ping the, whether it is pinging or not. Remember, this is the ad hoc commands and modules, so we will ping. So we'll do yes, yes, oh yes, row. Three times. Okay, we have not permissions to do that. Okay, so I get the problem, and I will provide solution right away. ls sudo chmod sorry, mod 400 to the Ansible key. Okay, we set up permissions, like is 400 is for read and execute. Okay, and we set up that. For write we have 4, read, write, execute, right? For read we have 3, and for write we have 4, 4 not, okay, 2, like that only. We do give the permissions. Let's see the what we permissions we have. Let we can verify that as using ls hyphen a l, a long list we can say an Ansible. So we have read and execute only. Okay, we have read and execute permissions only, not read on permissions we have. So let's see, not execute, we have only read permissions. Okay, we have only read permissions. Okay, right, get it. So first of all, do that first thinking thing. Yeah, my ping pong is ready. for server 2 and server 1, it is pinging through my what we can say public IP address. And let's add some of command, like we have to, let's check what file contains server 1 and server 2. So just, yeah, this is the username ubuntu, so you'll, because there is user of ubuntu only. So we have file server 1, there is a this kind of demonstrated files are there, and in the file 2, server 2, there is this kind of file informations are there. And we will check the how much time it is running. Ansible server, not servers. Okay, this is the uptime. Yes, right. Yeah, this is uptime. Like this is running using two user, and that is one root, and what is ubuntu. So we will write one playbooks. So date hyphen playbook dot yml vi, paste this and execute. Sorry, we have to terminate this and cut, save and terminate, and we'll do cat dat playbooks, and we have written the commands, right? So write ansible hyphen playbook, then the file name, sorry, playbook, not play. Yeah, no host match. Oh sorry, let's check the file first, what we have written here. Okay, there is server written, right? So my host name is server, not servers. Actually server only there, but yeah, it is currently working. So it returned the dates, and it is working, and it is changed the file. Do one thing that we have to, we'll install one set of one nginx server. Let's verify that also. Vi nginx playbook dot yml. Oh sorry, not yaml. Okay, we will edit that. Okay, we edited this, and remember this is okay, this is not servers, it is server. And mv, sorry, mc, not mv, mv nginx, sorry, to nginx playbook dot yml. So Ansible playbook, sorry, playbook, and then nginx one. Here we have doing the server installations, like web server installations in the two server that we have set up, right? So we can verify using our public IP address, and although we can use our private IP address, whether will, if they are present in same VPC, we will use private IP address, because there is no elastic IP address. So we use private IP address in that file. We can change that file, we can see how it is working. Okay, uh, let's check this out. Let's go to here and server first one. So we'll do one more thing here. without using that what we can say AWS console, we can get the what we can say the group, the IP address, the gateway address using this like curl if con- dot me, I think so. Some file is if let's check it out in using this. I forgot the command, I think so. Dot in dot com, I think so. There is no thing. I forget the command. IR we have installed the engineering server in server 1 and server 2 also we have installed that. If you know that how we can get the gateway address of command, we can comment down that what URL we have to type, what services we have that we can type there. I get in this if I get this command, I will put in the next videos. Okay, and here we have two IP address, and this in two IP address there is a server. And let's change the just change the public IP address into private one, then check it out whether it is working or not. This is the command, right? Just copy the server to IP address. Just paste this, and for the server one, just copy this and server paste there. Because when we will stop this what we can say this server this EC2 instances, your public IP address will be disappear, and if you restart and if you start again, the public IP address will be, it is elastic, right? It will be disappear, and we have to do once again, we have to configure once again these things. So this kind of thing, so that if they are in same subnet of VPC, then it will work. Let's do that ping command first. Yeah, this one. Yeah, first of all you're asking for yes. Okay, yes. Yeah, it is working. For the server 2, let's go the server 1. Stop this and start again. Unreachable, let's do once again. I think this is in some different APC. Just check it out. The server 2 is working, right? First of all, see the servers 2 IP address or subnet mask, we can say. Do once again. Yeah, now it is working. We have to set up yes. So it is working for server 1 and server 2. Here we have the, what we can say, proof. If you want to do more thing, like we have to check the date command, and check date command also. Yeah, this command, date, and use these two command, and who am I? Okay, we cannot use two command and same thing. So let's execute date only. So this is that working, that command is working. So we conclude the video. So we successfully install Ansible master, Ansible server, and how we can set up a master and server architecture. What we can say, master and slave architecture, master and node architecture. So if you like the video, you can subscribe my channel, and you can share this video to your friends. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you.